There goes Lil following him. Let's go see where they go. What's going on back here? Where'd Mr. go? Here he is, walking around the house. Oh. Going for a walk, buddy? Wanna walk around some, bud? That's a nice place to lie down. Nobody lies there. You could get some sun there. Poor old guy. Coming up on 22 years old, I'll bet. Can't hardly hear nothing. One eye doesn't work and you can't see out of the other one. Here we have Mr. BB accompanying us on our walk. Mr. Cat doesn't care much for young BB. It's a beautiful day in February. What's Mr. gonna do? He always has a hard time deciding anymore. Looks like he wants to go in the front door.